Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I just wanted to talk to the people out there, who are beginners in internet marketing, and just want to give you a little bit of tips and advice on when you first starting out in marketing, how to succeed. And you know, I know that it is tough, in the beginning because you're trying to get yourself out there. You're trying to find ways where you can be able to make that income and live the life that you're looking for. You want to be able to, in the future, quit your 9-to-5 job. And I know it seems tough. Most people, when you talk to your family, you tell them about your business and what you're doing, and a lot of them don't have they don't have that mindset of saying like, okay, a person tell you like straight up like, all right, I see you doing what you're doing, but is it real? Is it a scam? And they tell you all these types of things, and you have to really dig to what you really want to do. It's really up to you. It's really up to you to decide, what's going to work for you, what's going to better for you and your family, and the types of success that you're looking for. You know what I'm saying? And there's so much longevity. And the main thing is just applying yourself, staying consistent, being persistent and consistent. No matter what roadblocks coming your way, be consistent. And it's really tight, because you come in the internet world, you don't have much money to invest into yourself. Sometimes when you get with a certain sponsor, you get so excited because you're looking at the compensation plan, and it looks very intriguing. But at the same time, you wonder like, how can you really get this stuff out there for it to be effective, so you can be able to grow your business or whatever you have to promote. And the name of the game is really branding yourself, because at the end of the day, whatever you do in marketing, people want to know if they can trust you. So that's why it's important to build an audience, building up that audience. That way people could see that you're doing the things that's necessary to take place in the marketing world, and they can be able to mimic you. You want to become duplicatable, and that's where a lot of marketers get stuck at, because they feel that we don't have, they don't have the ropes. They don't have nobody to really look up to that can give them the type, because everybody feels when you first come in here, I'll be looking, and I'm speaking for myself. When I first started internet marketing, and I had the willpower, I always had an ambition. The ambition part is not the case, because most people out there got ambition. You got so much ambition out there that you want to do. You'll do anything you got to do to make it happen. The problem is that doing so, you get misled. A lot of gurus out there, when they're teaching these products and services that they have, they don't really explain what you really have to do. And that's why I'm here to tell you guys, it's really more to it than what, you think of it. Now, is it complicated? It doesn't have to be. You have to really find out what you're really good at. Because I done tried numerous of things. When I first started, I done tried like you said, like from social media marketing. Just now recently tried cost per click, all that. And I had to realize what I was good at and where where most of my results came from. So you have to make sure that you take baby steps. Baby steps is the key. You got to crawl before you walk. A lot of gurus is not going to tell you that. A lot of times people out there really trying to make money. You know what I'm saying? So you really got to really pay attention to that. But you're going to learn as time goes, you know, and you keep doing it. You're going to learn. You're going to start catching on to these things. You're going to start realizing. Your eyes is going to start being open. You know what I'm saying? Your eyes going to be open to the possibilities. You're going to learn. It's kind of like a child. You know, after a while, you're going to learn from your mistakes. You're going to learn if it's something hot, you ain't going to bother it no more. Because it's hot. You don't want to get burnt. You know what I mean? And that's just the same the way is in perspective of marketing, how you carry yourself in this game. This is a game. It's like chess. You know what I mean? It's how you move in it. You know, you got to be able to engage, build an audience. You got to build trust. You know, people want to know who you are. That's one thing I did learn is people want to know who you are. Nobody really cares about just about the product. They want to be able to be comfortable and trusting you. So branding yourself is the key. And, you know, for a long time I thought that, you know, it could be. Sometimes it's not always you that's doing it wrong. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's just timing too has a lot of to do with it too. So that's why being consistent, showing up every day, showing up letting these people know that you here, got confidence in whatever you promoting. That's what really matters. So it's so many steps. It's steps to this game. Now, this is where we get caught up. We get caught up in the atmosphere of, you know, it's so many ways to market. It's so many ways. And you feel like it's not one particular one that's the correct way. Because so many ways can work. The question is, can it work for you? Sometimes doing a lot of testing, you know, figuring out what works and what don't. That's how you determine if it works for you. You know, I just spent like a month and a half, you know, learning what I can learn. Looking up YouTube videos. Trying to figure out what's the best route that I can take that can work for me and my business. And, you know, I done jotted some things down and took notes. I done seen so many webinars and presentations and stuff like that. Now, I gotta say this, y'all. If you want to be able to grow in your business, as you know in life, I'm gonna break it down to in life. In life, nothing is free. Nothing is free. Nothing. If you want to be able to grow, you're going to have to, it's going to come a time when you're going to have to take the risk to invest into yourself. You know, I hate to be transparent with y'all, but that's just real. A lot of newbies out there, you know, they want to come in the game free. Free goes only so long. It only goes so far. You know what I mean? And, you know, you got the freedom like what I'm doing right now, speaking to you guys. That's the freedom right there. You got the freedom to voice your opinion. You got the freedom to talk to people out there that need your help. Because it's a large number out there that's lost. Don't know where to start. Don't know what to get into. That's where it really comes a stress. You got a person out there that wants to work, that's willing to do it, just don't know how. So that's where people like me and you come into play. You know, you come in there, you want to help the people that's needed. That's why I'm starting this Facebook group, you know, where newbies could come in and need the help. You know, like I said, you know, you could always, you know, with me, you know, I'm a person that I love to conversate. I love to help out the next person. You know, if you have questions, you know, I have a link in the description for Facebook that you can contact me, you know, and let's help each other, people. You know what I mean? Let's not leave the person hanging, and let's not mislead people information. Let's be real about it. Marketing is not just, oh, when you first jump in, you get a whole bunch of solo ads and things like that. It's more than that. Because you presenting out to cold leads. These people don't know you from Adam and Eve. Nobody knows who you are. You know, you have to really figure that out. So that's why I hopped on camera today, because I want to be able to give you the fundamentals of what you need to succeed. You know what I mean? And it's not really complicated as you think. Yes, it takes work. Anything in life takes work. Even when you work in your 9-to-5 job, you gotta work to be able to get that money. You're not gonna get it for free. But this is something that's longevity. This is something that you can carry on longer. You know what I mean? If you want to be able to build that credibility to be able to be your own boss, this is where that comes into play. You know? So, like I said before, I'm going to be doing these periodic videos, you know, helping my people, because I want to help my people. I want to give you value. I want to give you food for thought to really think. You know? It's tough out there. It's tough, especially when you're going on with what's going on in the world today. You know, you don't have much things to work with. It feel like you're falling on the edge of the cliff. You feel like, you know, you really don't have too many options. Time is winding up. Your back is against the wall. The anxiety level goes up to the roof. But I'm here to tell you today, there are people that's willing to hold your hand, that's willing to help you. You just have to go out there and seek it. Go out there, ask questions, try to find something, you know. And that's what the road to success is really all about. So I just wanted to get on camera today just to give you a little food for thought, you know what I mean, and to let you know that, you know, you're not alone. We all in this together. Even the gurus, they have their good days and they have their bad days. They always, all the time, every day, the guru's not always making a sale every day. You may think that it's how they present themselves, but not every day a guru gonna always make money every day. You know what I mean? Everybody have a struggling time, but it's always about being consistent, because it could work. Your mind of success is what depends on what you're doing, how you do it, how you approach. That's when your success comes in. And it's like a snowball effect. The more you keep doing, the more going to happen. The more it's going to start. When I start, you know, doing these YouTube videos, I kept being consistent. It's something I wanted to do. And I start to see results. I start to see people chiming in, people commenting, you know, and that's the brilliant part about it. And sometimes, you know, you may go do something else trying to figure out what works, but stick to what works. You know what I mean? That's the main thing. Stick to what works. All right. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys today. You know, just to give you some advice, give you some value, and that can help you along the way of your marketing journey. All right. This is Double O with Astro. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And if you would like to find out a way where you can get started with the road to success, if you're a beginner, the link in the description will be below, how to get started with, you know, a program where you could be able to get the knowledge that you need to succeed. All right, this is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.